Hi, everybody. My name is Liz Hoffman. I am from Northeastern Pennsylvania, and I am working as a school-based behavioral health technician, working with elementary and middle school kids who have a primary mental health disorder or behavioral health issues. This is my 6th year of working in the field. My role has primarily always been a caseworker, just with different populations. Um, When I finish my master's, I do hope to work in either a hospital or a prison setting, and I've always had interest in working with individuals diagnosed with schizophrenia. I think it's just something very interesting to me and just something I'd really love to further explore. Um, my goals for developing into a clinical social worker is always just ensuring that there is a strong therapeutic approach. I think that this is so important, and this is the key to having a successful relationship with your clients and just ensuring that all sessions run smoothly. I think that could really just go a long way when working with individuals. Um, some challenges that I do foresee in the future or even now can just be being educated enough just to ensure that you are following all the proper terminology, um, especially in relation to the LGBT community, because this is something you never want to not understand or not know the proper terminology and hurt somebody's feelings. But I think if we all take the time to educate ourselves a little bit more, um, there will be no issues then. I'm really looking forward to this course, and it was great meeting all of you. Thank you.